Yes, good day.
Yeah.
Good day, depending on the situation of the things, depending on the situation where you are. Because some people, even though it's morning time, they didn't want to wake up much. So they are still thinking in their mind that it's night. So, and sometimes you are thinking your mind that it's afternoon because your mind, they waiting you won't go do. And some people agree saying that morning. So depending on the time of the day, in your psychological thinking, say it be, now yeah, they greet you. So if you think it's still night, we are in, good night. If you think it's good morning, good morning. If you think we are in the afternoon time, good afternoon. If we are in the evening time, good evening. But all above, good day. Welcome to Paddy Paddy on top today. Now, it is a very natural day for me. I'm not even interested. No yarring, no wristwatch, no, nothing. It's a very natural day for me. Reason because I can. Because I can. I mean, I'm doing it because I can. So if I vex too much,
Why don't you introduce who there with you for here now?
I don't have to introduce you. Why are you very interested in getting introduced? Is it your show?
The only that they see so that they're gonna say there with me today.
Why are you getting? Why you want to get introduced? Why?
Paddy Paddy audience, Paddy Paddy viewers. On I know see they go when Ogbolo no dey here. Na me they marry Mayowa. I don't know why she knew they always want to do her, but make her do it by myself. She be the greet on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Me I greet on a good tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it is say you day. As she talk at that time, so I say it be. As it be, sir, we no go fight. I don't introduce myself. So welcome to the Paddy show. Me and my baby.
Yeah.
Me and my sister.
Yeah.
My sister.
Who was babying you?
Nephew. Cousin.
I used to warn you people. See.
You can't say anything. You are my Paddy baby girl. So what's up? What is it? Like, oh yeah, sorry.
You understand? Okay. You know, so I like when they beg me. Now when you just talk the sorry, you just touch the soft part of my balding. You just touch the soft part of my balding now. You just touch it. You just touch the soft part of my body. Now when you say thank you, no, don't do that. Don't do that. No.
You are very natural.
No, yes. Very, very, very natural. All right, back to the matter. Uncle Jeff, Lucky Child is here. Uncle Lucky Child is here with me. Yes. So yes, Lucky Child, welcome aboard.
You are welcome too, my dear.
Yes. So is our replacement Angu. One day only you go do this show.
I don't just know the kind of way you have
one
to
day
do
only you go do this show.
No, I'll go
because I don't go there, Ogola don't go there. Only you.
No, me a producer go there.
Deceive yourself. Never forget to appreciate the people who help you.
For
the
real.
Truth be safe. Nobody be island. Nobody fit do them on their own.
For real.
You understand? I mean, as I dey here, so nobody say I no go fit do the show.
Yeah.
But the fact say you dey here with me.
I help you there.
You dey help me there.
You know,
thank you. It's called cohabitation. Cohabitation, sha.
You know, see, I don't use English. One day you will put yourself into trouble.
No, but it's correct. It's cohabitation.
Make I help you. The cohabitation which she mean be say, if you know if you habitate alone, you need one other person to habitate with you. Meaning the habitate na English, or meaning say you know if you stay alone, you know other person to deal with you.
So it's now called habitation square.
Nice one.
You're feeling me?
Adam gone, he suffer that kind suffer. Adam the day alone.
Before
God call you and say, no good mean day alone. You need to give her a cohabitation.
According to the Holy Book, for those of you who understand Christianity and waiting in the title. Well. But the thing be say, that flower.
Oh my God.
Mommy they fear make it no fall because if you say, if the flower fall, if you cut earthquake, give us pray, give us yandi.
I don't get it. No, she they plan to plant her for back.
But it's a beautiful thing. All right, back to Yandi. Yeah. Now, talking about flowers, the first gist one I get for you today concern this particular man where we say he married his wife back in the year 1956 when Mr. and Mrs. Kuroki, newlywed couple, where we say them buy land for inside Shintomi and then build house and a dairy farm. Now, a dairy farm na places where we say if you build fruits, flowers, dairy farm, you can just build lovely trees around them and then work hard for several years on top. And we be say, in fact, they even get cows. They heard about 60 cows for that place. And then they hope to take a trip to Japan around the world when they retire. But things not happen as they plan them because they were happy. They were concentrating on their farm, hearing their cows. They can't say when at a particular time they go take trip, go Japan, go spend, just enjoy themselves as a. But unfortunately, at age 52, after 30 years of marriage, Mrs. Kuroki, now she gets this eye condition. Maybe say she can't develop eye problem. Last, she just blind.
Wow.
After like 1 week when she developed the problem, the blind. The poor woman now, she can't date depressed. She know, when you don't get all your sight at age 50, age 52, you can't blind. You understand? So the thing pain her well. Now, when she couldn't travel again, the thing depressed her well. Now, one day, he just look, the man don't they wonder how he go take lift her spirit. One day, he just look this their garden. Look this their garden. He just talk, say, you know what? This flower, when I see for one place, if I plant her for inside this our garden, go they perfect for my wife. She go feel, smell nice things. She go feel the need to live her life again. Or more. Now so the guy fill the whole garden with flower. See him. He begin grow flower. Fill the whole place with flower. You know why? Just to give his wife a feeling of living again. Just to give her a sense of smell, to make her enjoy life again. And this particular thing, in that year, now, as me and you, they talk, so na tourist attraction.
Wow.
Na tourist attraction. Over 7,000 people now they visit this place every year between the months of March and April. Now, very tourist attraction. As I talk to you today, over 7,000 people, they visit this thing. But that's the true story of that particular place. They call them Felix Moss Garden. Felix Moss Garden for inside Shintomi town for Japan. As I talk to you, so.
Wow. Now, and one thing I understand and one thing I enjoy for this gist, say, the man planned to just please his wife.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, turn to business venture.
He turned to business venture.
So, when you hear the thing say A, nothing bring B, start the A.
The point we say, well, yes, that's the point. And that's the point. And a very good point. But another way me I take see and be say, when you do something genuinely from the love of your heart, the blessings where they come from them, it plenty. So when you want to do something for somebody, do them from your
mind.
Do them from your heart. Because when you do them from your heart, the rewards,
it go spread and no more.
But when you do them because you want make the world see you.
Yes.
You do them because you want them to say, oh, now she do this one.
Go small.
You not going to see any reward. The only thing you will get is, oh, she did this, she did that. People go talk about her for a week or two and everybody forgets. But this thing is lingering for decades.
Yeah. And since this woman blind since age 52, after 30 years of marriage, now, from that flower, people now they come. Yeah. So nobody the flower scent, she they get to feel as a human being. People they come now they
feel relevant. She they feel, do something from your heart.
He's a good husband. As I will be good husband to my wife.
It's not really my husband. What's wrong with you? It's just
good husband, paddy.
It's my partner in everything.
Wait, you two the quick point. Which I point
don't say good husband anything. You want to spoil.
Is that why you are putting hand in akimbo?
You want to spoil? Wow, he spoke English. He said put hand in akimbo. Oh,
no
Lord.
Serious.
Okay, story.
Okay, now paddy till we day, when my don't drop you, definitely I'm gonna wait for the fine boy to drop you.
Oh my God.
Honestly spoken. This Jesus say 200 years old condom where they make from sheep body.
Okay.
200 years old.
Okay.
Now be this now the name you not get any PG name now.
No.
It is corn. Then you dump it.
Yes.
Okay. Now this thing they make them from sheep intestine. As they tell on now they sell them for 462 pounds.
For what?
Make it. I go speak it up for that one. 462 pounds. Now this condom they cost. This condom measure 19 centimeters and they make them from sheep intestine as I tell now so. About 200 years now it don't exist. And the amount that they sell now as I told now. So if you go on online, they usher them any online. See and there so they usher them any. The amount they very, very outrageous, my God.
Anyways, the thing we say
462 pounds.
Say 462 pounds. Wow.
Compared to waiting the apple for our naira now.
Now, naira now is about 505 pounds to one.
No, 505 naira.
505, 1 pound, 1 naira to a pound is around 505 naira.
That is 505 naira, 91 pounds.
Yes.
So times 505 naira times 462 pounds.
No worry yourself. No need. No one get headache. But that's not even the point. This kind of thing when you buy them now for people to keep them for their houses as history, people to keep them for museums, to keep them for excursion purposes, to just own them as a legendary story to it. Nobody really say because people want.
Well, true talk from waiting my talk. So now for yours people to put them for house.
But then again, when personal opinion, I know some opinion don't really matter because now the people would they give from it. But personally, instead of me to do this, I would rather even take a portrait of Madiba. I mean, it's there are some things where the things where people they like pay for auction for everybody they're different. You understand? Like me now, I go feel buy one of Michael Jackson's first plate. You know that, not be CD, not be cassette. You know that flat one.
Yeah,
I go like own
turntable.
one. Yes, I go
Turntable.
actually like own
All right.
one.
No, my wife, but truly, this stuff, you know, say anything where they see today start from somewhere.
Yeah.
All right. The condom where they use today now, the idea start from this stone age.
I mean, it's been 200 years ago.
200 years ago. So that time they draw from animal skins, or but mainly they use sheep body to the draw. So just put them for us.
Wait. So when you they do human skin?
That animal skin, how they use that time. Salty skin.
So na animal skin they
that
use
time. But now, rubber.
Who asked you question?
By the story.
Who asked you question?
All right, my people, so something way expensive like this, I know say our own Nigerians no spend money on this.
No, don't say that. That's a wrong statement. You know why? You know why I say a wrong statement. I'll tell you why I say a wrong statement. Because that is just you among millions of Nigerians.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, I'm a Nigerian.
So I would like him if you rephrase.
My rephrase. I say Nigerian why be. Why no say my own people be. We didn't know where to spend money on.
Again.
462 pounds on top
Lucky child. Again, I go like make you rephrase.
Okay, I rephrase on my people like me, a Nigerian. I not spend that money on this thing. But because for the story, they say only the rich, they feel they afford them. So we know where to use our money do. We're not going to use and go buy this yoke for us. They look and go use the money help people.
Again, that's not your own opinion. Somebody else can actually save up money just to buy this thing. Just so you know.
Okay. Like people from my family, they waste money anyhow. They feel buy this thing, keep it for their house. But like we will the mind where they spend money. We not go carry buy this thing for us. They look at anya. Where people they will give money to survive. I try me with that.
Smell this thing. Smell her. Now blow. Boom. If I blow you, give us break.
Okay, let's go for the break.
Okay.
Fantastic video.
That first
one way you touch me past, that far way you use
your own egg.
Your egg, the pot or that ball.
As it's telling you the king is here. Every other egg go and sleep. My egg is the egg, man. Holla.
Yeah. The egg is the egg, every other one is the ball.
All right, let's go back to Yan Diyan. Now, this particular one concerns Tiger Woods and the refusal to help his siblings. Unasabi Tiger Woods now, the famous golf player.
Yeah.
The famous golf player. Now, in half brothers and sisters don't come out say, Tiger Woods, no, they talk to us again. You know they help us. So,
he's a brother that spend money alone without remembering family members.
Now, the thing we say, they are not even worried about the money. They say, at least even communicate.
Yeah.
Check up on us. See how we're doing. Let me tell you what the stepmother talk, because there is half siblings. The stepmother now, Barbara Gary Woods, Earl Woods' first wife. That one, Tiger Woods' Baba. The first wife, Barbara Gary. He talks, say, I'm very disappointed in Tiger, because before he gets all this money, they keep in touch very well. But I want to see him and slap him and give him a wake-up call. I would like to say, don't come knocking on the door when you need a bone marrow transplant. To see this is the response we get. Maybe when you see the world like he does, you don't see what other people are going through. But seriously, you've got problems with your knee. That's nothing compared to what Kevin is going through. Nothing, he said. Now, talking about Kevin na an elder brother. I'm not sure if he's elder or younger now, but I'm half brother. And I think Kevin needs help because he's in the hospital. And they don't leave Tiger plenty messages, call him and everything, and he still didn't no response. No, I leave messages, I leave updates on Kevin, but for whatever reason, I don't get a response. Kevin loves Tiga. A call from Tiga will really pump Kevin up. That means that we're not even begging you for money, but at least talk to your brother. He's in a low state. He's in a sick state. Talk to him. Let's see how. Now, that's the story we're getting. We never hear from Tiga part. We never hear from his side. So
why you they call him Tiga? That's Tiger.
No verse. No verse.
No share.
We never hear from his side. We never
from Tiger's side.
Yes, we never hear from his side. We don't know what be the real story. We don't know why he know the response. We don't even know maybe true he know the response. But this now waiting in family can come out, can talk. Considering the sickness where in brother Kevin Woods they go through.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now so no be saying that money no they spend.
In fact, they say right now Kevin Woods they don't confine him to wheelchair.
Now the problem now be say Tiger Woods not dey spend money, but even his own person, they show care to.
Not be matter of say they spend money. The thing be say they don't even feel access some. Not be person where they access go spend money.
No, say from the headline. Like say they help in terms of money matter.
Yes.
But now not be just the money.
Not be even the money. Now they never even feel communicate.
So that means no matter how much you make in terms of fame and name. Remember your family.
No, you know
that's
why?
That's the message.
That's the message they are trying to pass across. But the reason why me and no go talk like that now because of say this not just the story of the family members. We don't know. I go like here Tiger Woods part. I go like
know
phone
number,
whether why you do this.
Ask Tiger Woods. Say your family talk something will come on top paddy talker. I beg Tiger talk me the way your own version. How you go be?
I'm sure say some people ABC News where they carry content this one. I'm sure say they go still go ask and say waiting happen because the truth be say when it concern family just be like the one where they happen with our own people now P Square and their brother.
Okay,
when it concern family so today hear one part no be really the way it better make we hear the but now waiting for Tiger Woods half family half siblings they talk. Be this way we don't tell
that's
you
so.
Siblings yeah.
No, it's true. So whichever way. There is a truth in every talk.
Oh yeah,
iota
for every
of truth.
iota.
Yeah.
Fantastic. 1% at least. Yeah. Anyways, give us laugh the laugh.
Let's laugh the laugh, Leo.
Friday, very laid back day, my
God.
God.
That why you're
come on, dear. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, please. At Wazobia Paddy. We keep insisting because now there we go feel relate with you, all right? Anything we know, some of you now they relate with us on our individual Twitter handles and Instagram, but for collective answers at Wazobia Paddy. Follow the station on Instagram at Wazobia TV NG. My own personal Instagram now at Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo and Instagram now at Mayowa Ekpo at Ogbolo on top Instagram, youtube.com/Wazobia TV. You search for Paddy, you go see us there all over the place. And then you Facebook as well, facebook.com/Wazobia TV. Search for Paddy, you go see everything. Lucky Child, you want to give them your details?
Yes, so I don't wait till me you drama your drama finish. Because if you forget me, wait for you here. All right, Mona, follow me on Twitter at Laugh Lucky Child and Instagram at Laugh Lucky Child. Then every other social platform, just find Lucky Child Comedian and you go begin to see me for everywhere. We love you now on top Paddy show.
Is it your duty to tell them bye-bye?
I think we love you now. I never thought bye-bye now. Yeah, baby. You, baby.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.